Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the exciting world of the law of perpetual transmutation. This universal law states that all things are in a constant state of evolution and change, and in this video, we'll be discussing how you can harness this principle to transform your life. Let's get started. The law of perpetual transmutation states that all things are in a constant state of change and evolution, and that you have the power to direct this change in your life. This law is all about transformation, and understanding its principles can help you to create a life that is more fulfilling and meaningful. The first step in harnessing the power of the law of perpetual transmutation is to embrace change. Change can be scary, but it's also an opportunity for growth and transformation. Embrace change with an open mind and a positive attitude, and see where it takes you. The next step is to take action towards your goals. Whether you want to transform your career, relationships, or personal growth, taking action is the key to making it happen. Start small and build on your successes, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. The law of perpetual transmutation also means that new opportunities are always arising. Be open to new experiences and take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. This can lead to new growth and experiences, and help you to continue transforming your life. The law of perpetual transmutation is a powerful principle that can help you to transform your life. By embracing change, taking action, and being open to new opportunities, you can evolve and grow, and create a life that is fulfilling and meaningful. So go out there and start transforming your life today. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the law of perpetual transmutation and how you can use it to transform your life. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.